Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to disable the copy link icon in Google Chrome on your PC, especially after the recent updates that have introduced some new features. If you found these pop-ups annoying, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once it's up and running, we'll move to the next step. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. This is your gateway to various settings and options. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Now, scroll down until you find Settings. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where you can customize many aspects of your browser. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to Appearance. This section allows you to adjust how your Chrome looks and behaves. After entering Appearance, look for an option that says Customize your toolbar. This is where you'll find the setting related to the copy link feature. In the Customize your toolbar section, you should see an option labeled Disable Copy Link. Simply toggle this option off. This action will prevent the copy link icon from appearing whenever you copy a link, giving you a cleaner browsing experience without those pesky pop-ups. Finally, make sure to restart your Chrome browser for the changes to take effect. Close it down completely and open it again. When you return, you should notice that the copy link icon no longer appears when you perform link copying actions. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the copy link icon in Google Chrome on your PC. Enjoy a smoother browsing experience without those interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Chrome effectively. Thank you for watching.